case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1995, the Alaska Court of Appeals heard a case pertaining to accomplice liability. The case, Baker v. State, centered on Donald L. Baker, who was convicted of second-degree robbery. The conviction rested on the controversial legal precept in Alaska, wherein individuals implicated in felonies can be punished as principals, regardless of their level of direct involvement in the crime. The case unfolded following a designed plot to rob a pizza delivery person. Evidence indicated that Baker and his associates ordered the pizzas to be delivered at a specific location, donning disguises and readying themselves for the crime. Upon the arrival of the unsuspecting delivery person, he was assailed by one of Baker's accomplices and relieved of both his pizzas and personal safety. Despite the inability of the victim to definitively point out Baker as his assailager, the court held the corroborating evidence as sufficient in typifying Baker as a principal in the robbery. Challenging his conviction, Baker propelled an appeal with the argument that the trial's accomplice liability instruction unjustly impinged his right to a fair trial. However, the appeal fell on deaf ears, as the court upheld his conviction based on the fact that the elements of robbery remain the same, whether the defendant personally commits the act or aids in someone else's misconduct. His sentence of nearly 10 years in prison, coupled with a 3 additional year term imposed for his role in the robbery, was also sustained by the court. The court justified this decision as necessary, noting that it would deter future offenses and maintain societal order, especially in light of Baker's criminal past and his perceived lack of potential for rehabilitation, thereby presenting a risk to public safety. The court's handling of Baker's case emphasizes the strict accomplice liability rules in Alaska, underscoring a cautionary tale of the potential risks of engaging in felonious activities. Moreover, the sustained appeal put into spotlight the heftiness of sentences, especially where aggravating factors come into play.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.